Good morning, everyone. Joey with JLF Ranches. This morning we are working on a CP.6 cat sheep foot. Hey. Anyways, this one has a cat C6.6 in it, and the original complaint, which I didn't get videos of the previous troubleshooting, but original complaint on this thing was no start without starting fluid. So went ahead and troubleshot it down, found the rail relief valve leaking, and we'll switch this over so you can see it. Found that piece leaking by while cranking, went ahead and replaced it. Went from about 1400 psi on the rail pressure to about 1600 psi on the rail pressure. Still had a no start, but would start and run with starting fluid. So turned around, did some more troubleshooting. Could never get the injection pump to build up enough pressure no matter what I did. So it would never hit I think it's supposed to be anywhere from 10 to 20,000 while running. And I could, even when it was running, I could never get it up that high. Did some more troubleshooting. Ended up determining the injection pump had failed. So we got the injection pump, we got the engine timed, injection pump replaced and whatnot. And right there's your injection pump. But anyways, had drain coolant, pull the water pump, pull front cover off and whatnot, time it. Get all this out of the way, pull the filter out, and got the injection pump replaced. But anyways, once the injection pump was replaced, I went from a start only with starting fluid and running to no start whatsoever. Did some more troubleshooting, come to find out the new injection pump put enough pressure in it that it caused the injectors to leak on the high side, or on the return side anyways. So that line right there on the bottom, you pull it, put a fancy little banjo bolt with a plug in it, and put a line on it. You do a 30-second crank with the injectors unplugged, and you watch to see how much fuel comes out of it. Not supposed to be an excess of 1.3 ounces in a 30-second crank. This one had just over 5 ounces in 30-second crank. So now we're changing injectors out. That should get this thing going. The whole reason behind this was because they had an operator that decided to run this thing out of fuel for about a dozen times in a 2-week span. And he would just continually run it out of fuel instead of filling it up every morning. But we went ahead and put a new sending unit, so it should be reading correctly now. But still, don't run your diesels out of fuel. Get you one of these when you're doing injectors. Get you a little piece of airline, like the hard plastic DOT airline. She slides right in the hole where the injectors go. Alright, we got it barred over. I barred it over about 6 times just to make sure. Usually barring it over twice is all you need to do.
Chicken every day anyway.
Anyways, guys, that's how you change out injectors on a Cat 6.6. Wish I would have filmed doing the fuel pump to go with it, but that'll be for another time. But that's how you do the injectors and whatnot, and do the valve lash to double check it. I ended up not having to adjust anything. I just ran it through it and checked everything. But if you got any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Ask any questions. I'll answer what I can, best I can. Anyways, y'all like what y'all see, feel free to subscribe. We thank you for watching, and share the content, and we'll see y'all on the next adventure. Y'all have a nice day. Thank you.